Hi, welcome to lesson 2. In this lesson, we're going to talk about the pronouns. What kind of pronouns we have, and in what category of the words pronouns can be on. So let's get started. In the previous lesson, we talked about the categories of the words. We have 3 categories: اسم, فعل, حرف. In this lesson, we're going to talk about the pronouns. So, in what category pronouns should be in? Is it اسم or فعل or حرف, noun, verb, or a particle? A lot of you will think it will be in a particle, but it's not. It will be in this category, the nouns, اسم. But I didn't add those last time. I did not add the pronouns. Why? Just to know that pronouns is today's topic. So, when I say, for example, أنا, أنا, which means I. أنا, it's a pronoun. هو, he. And هي, she. أنت, you for a singular male. So, what we need to know is all the pronouns are nouns. We consider in Arabic the pronouns are asma, ism, noun. Now, let's talk about pronouns deeply. So we have 2 categories of pronouns. We have separated pronouns and connected pronouns. Okay, so let's write here separated and connected. Pronouns in Arabic, it means ضمائر. ضمائر. So, ضمائر, it means pronouns. And be careful, it's a plural. And the singular is ضمير. ضمير. Let's write it just to know it. Okay. ضمير. So ضمير is like this. ضمير. The singular. And الضمائر, the pronouns, divided into 2 categories: separated and connected. Separated in Arabic, it means منفصل. ضمائر منفصلة. منفصلة. منفصلة, separated. And connected, it means متصلة, متصلة. And each one of them divided into 3 other categories. For example, the separated pronouns divided into 3 other categories. And also the connected ones divided into 3 categories. Let's talk about the separated الضمائر المنفصلة first. الضمائر المنفصلة. What does it mean separated first? It means kind of pronouns that you use it independently in the sentence. For example, you say أنا طالب. أنا طالب. What does it mean أنا طالب? It means I am a student. When we look at the pronoun here, which is أنا, you realize it's separated from the sentence, from the next word. You use it independently. And what does it mean connected? Connected, it means متصلة. This is like when you say هذا كتابي. هذا كتابي. What does it mean هذا كتابي? It means this is my book. This is my book. If you think that هذا is the pronoun, you're wrong. It's not. The pronoun here, it's connected to this word, which is يا. So يا, it means my. Since يا is connected to kitab and then it produced kitabi, that's why we say it's connected. That kind of pronouns that are connected to the words. Let's talk about the separated one first. The separated consists of 3 other categories. First is ضمير المتكلم. ضمير المتكلم, in English you say is the first person. The first person. The one that speaks in behalf of himself or in behalf of other group. And then ضمير المخاطب. In English you say the second person. And the third one, in Arabic we call it ضمير الغائب. ضمير الغائب, which is the third person. This is not only in separated ones, it's also in the connected ones. So we have ضمير المتكلم, the first person, المخاطب, the second person, and then الغائب, the third person. This is what we need to know in this lesson. We need to know that all the pronouns are kinds of nouns. That's in Arabic. And the pronouns are divided into two categories: the separated الضمائر المنفصلة and the connected الضمائر المتصلة. And each one divided into three other categories: ضمير المتكلم, the first person; ضمير المخاطب, the second person; ضمير الغائب, the third person. Each one of them. In the next lesson, we're going to learn in details each one of them. Thanks for watching.